Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be discussing a problem on preparation of the necessary accounts such as royalty account, landlord's account, and short working account after preparation of the royalty payable chart. Kindly watch the video till the end, like it, share among your friends, and subscribe to the channel. If you already subscribed, kindly ignore the message. And if you have any comments, please put your comments in the comment box. Now, let's move to the whiteboard. This is a case study question. Case study here. This has appeared for the year 2019. The case study is like this. Now let me stretch here. Pooja Quellery Limited leased a land from Mr. Vijay at a royalty of 50 paise per ton of coal raised. The minimum rent was rupees 48,000 per year. The coal raised in the first 4 years was as under. So here output in tons. So 2015 we have got 40,000 tons. 2016 we have got 1 lakh here. So 1 lakh. Then 2017 we have got 80,000. Then 2018 we have 1,20,000. Prepare royalty chart and short working account under the following circumstances. So here situation 1, we have got the short workings to be recovered during the first 4 years. Then situation 2, here the short workings to be recovered during next 2 years. Give your comments on the treatment of short working in the above situations. So when we go through this problem here, this is the case study question. We have been asked just to prepare the royalty payable chart and the short workings account under the 2 circumstances here. In this problem, there is no strike anything here. So the royalty is 50 paise per ton here. So now let us go for the situation 1 here now. So situation 1, that is a preparation of royalty payable chart. So in this problem we are required to prepare the royalty chart and the short working under the 2 circumstances. That is, one is when the short workings are recovered in the first 4 years and the short workings are recovered in the next 2 years. So let me insert a column here. Let me insert the table here. So first column year, then output in tons, then royalty at 0.50, that is a 50 paise. Then we have got a minimum rent, then short working, then surplus, then recovery, then then the next one here, irrecoverable, then amount payable to landlord, Now let us go for the first year here, 2000. So the output is 40,000 tons here. So the royalty payable will be 20,000. Then minimum rent which is given as a 48,000 as per the agreement. So in the first year there will be short working of rupees 28,000. There is no surplus, there is no recovery, there is no recovery. So amount payable will be 48,000. So next year 2016, the output is given as 1 lakh here. So the royalty will be 50,000. Then that is 1 lakh into 0.50. So 50,000. So the amount payable, so minimum rent payable is 48,000. So here we have got surplus of rupees 2,000. Then we can recover. So the first 4 years, so as we have got surplus in the second year, we can recover to the extent of the availability of the surplus. So here it is 2,000. Then there is no recovery, so the amount payable will be 48,000 minus 50,000 minus 2,000, so that comes to 48,000. Then 2017 we have got 80,000 as the output. So the royalty payable will be 40,000. So the minimum rent here it is 48,000. So again there is a short working of rupees 8,000 here. So there is no surplus, there is no recovery also here, as we have got a deficit here. So there is no recovery. So amount payable will be 48,000. Then the next one here, 2018, we have got output as 1,20,000. 1,20,000 here. So the royalty will be 60,000. So minimum rent is 48,000. So we have got a surplus of rupees 12,000 here. So now you can see here, out of 28 we have recovered only 2,000 here. So that 28 minus 2, 26,000, still it is recoverable. 26 plus this 2017 of rupees 8,000. So total 34. Out of 34 we can recover only 12,000 here. So the remaining will be 22,000 is irrecovery here. 22,000 will be irrecoverable. So the amount payable will be 48,000. Then next we need to prepare the short working account here. So debit here, short working account. So we need to prepare short working account in both the circumstances here. Short working account, then here it is credit. So now let me insert a table having 8 columns now. So here date, particulars, then journal folio, then rupees, then date again, then particulars, then JF, then rupees. So now we have got short working in the year 2015. So when there is a short working, then it will be short working account debit to landlord account here. So landlord is Mr. Vijay here. So to Vijay's account here. So to Vijay's account. So that is it is 28,000 here. Then let me take this 28,000. So here it is 28,000. Then again at the end of the year this should be balanced here, so by balance carry down, so 28,000. Then next we should take the total here, so 28,000, here also 28,000. So at the beginning of the year 2016 we should write here to balance brought down. So balance brought down. Again in the second year there is the surplus, there is a recovery here. So here 28,000. When the short booking is recovered at the end of the 2016, then the entry will be Vijay's account debit to short booking. So short booking account is credited by 2016. So by Vijay's account here. So amount recovered is rupees 2,000. So there will be still a balance. So by balance carried down. So here we have got 26,000 as a balance here. So now let us take the total here. So 28,000. So here also 28,000. Then 2017 at the beginning to balance brought down. So brought down here. Again we have got a short booking of rupees 8,000. So when there is a short booking, then the entry will be short booking account debit to Vijay's account. So to Vijay's account here. So now the balance, opening balance here, it is 26,000 plus this 8,000. So at the end of 2017 here we have got a by balance carried down. We have got 34,000. So 34,000. Now let's take the total here, 34,000. Then at the beginning of the year 2018 there is no short booking here. So to balance brought down, we have got here 34,000. So at the end of 2018, so here there is a recovery of rupees 12,000, which you can see in the chart. So by Vijay's account, then there is a recovery of the short booking, that is 22,000, which will transfer to P&L account. So by P&L account, so here the recovery is to the extent of rupees 12,000, and there is a recovery of rupees 22,000 here. So 22,000. So the total is rupees 34,000. So this is as per the situation 1 here, because the right of recoupment is during the first 4 years. So that's why it will come like this here now. Then the next one we need to prepare is that situation 2 we should go for now. So situation 2. So first we need to prepare the royalty chart. So preparation of royalty payable chart. So now let me insert a table here having 9 columns here. So year, then output in tons, then royalty at 50 paise, royalty at 50 paise. Then we have got minimum rent, then short working, then surplus, then we have got a recovery, then recovery, then irrecoverable, then amount payable to landlord. So now you see here in the situation 2, we have got the right of recoupment only the next 2 years now. So now let us go for preparing the royalty chart here. So 2015, the output is 40,000 tons. So the royalty will be 20,000, whereas the minimum rent is 48,000. So here we have got a short working of rupees 28,000. So there is no surplus, there is no recovery, there is no recovery. Amount payable will be 48,000. So in 2016, so the output here is 1 lakh now. Then the royalty payable will be 50,000. So here we have got 48,000 as the minimum rent. So there will be surplus of rupees 2,000 here. So 2,000. So we can recover in the next 2 years, means so we can recover to the extent of rupees 2,000 here. Then there's no recovery, so amount payable will also be 48,000 here. Then 2017 here, so the output here is 80,000. Then the royalty is 40,000, minimum rent is 48,000. So here we have got a short working of rupees 8,000. So there is no surplus here, so it can be recovered in the next 2 years, means so there will be recovery of 26,000 rupees, which is a loss to the lessee or the user of the right. So the amount payable will be here, it is 48,000 here. Then 2018, the last year, so 1,20,000 is the output, so royalty will be 60,000 here. So 48,000 is the minimum rent, so 12,000 is surplus here. So now you can see here in this 8,000 we can easily recover here, because we have got surplus 12,000 here. So there is a recovery of rupees 8,000 here. So amount payable will be 60,000 minus 8,000, that comes to 52,000 here. So now let us go for preparing the short working account here. So here short working account. So now let me insert the table here having 8 columns here. So date, particulars, then journal folio, then rupees, then date, particulars, then JF, then rupees. So beginning now 2015 we have got a short working account. So when there is a short working, then enter short working account debit to Vijay's account. So Vijay's account, so amount is rupees 28,000 here now. So now at the end of this year, so we should balance here. So by balance carry down, that comes to rupees 28,000. So let us take the total here, 28,000. So this is brought down during 2016. So 2016, so this is to balance brought down. So now you see the chart here. In the second year there is no short working, but however there is a recovery here. So here let us write 28,000. So 2016. So when there is a recovery here, then it will be Vijay's account debit to short working. So short working account is credited by Vijay's account. So the recovery is to the extent of rupees 2,000 here. So 2,000. So here there is a balance still remaining of rupees 26,000. So by balance carry down here. So let me write down here. So 26,000 is the balance remaining here. So now let us take the total 28,000 here. So here also 28,000. So in 2017 this will be brought down here, so to balance brought down. Now let us see in the third year, again there is a short working of rupees 8,000 here. So here to Vijay's account, so let me write down the balance brought down amount here, that is 26,000. so here in 2017 there is a short working of rupees 8,000 here. So now in the third year there is a year recovery of rupees 26,000. so at the end of 2017, when there is year recovery, it is transferred to by P&L account here. So by P&L account, and there will be still balance here, so by balance carried down. So now total 26,000 is irrecovered here, whereas the balance that is remaining 2,000 here. So here it is 2,000, the total will be 28,000. so here also 28,000. Now in 2018, so this is balance brought down here, so to balance brought down, that is rupees only 8 here it is the total is wrong, I have made here, so 34,000 is. So here 8,000 is a balance remaining here, so here it is 34,000. I should take 34. So the balance brought down will be only rupees 8,000 here. So now let us see in the last year, this 8,000 is entirely recovered here. So when it is recovered here, then it will be Vijay's account debit to short working. So short working account is credited by Vijay's account here. So that is rupees 8,000. So 8,000. So now let me take the total here. So 8,000 here. So here it is 8,000. So now when you go for the comments here in situation 1, what has happened, now let us see here in situation 1. So there is a loss to the landlord of rupees 22,000. In the situation, there is a loss to Mr. Vijay is rupees 20. Here it is in the situation 1. We have got here. It is 22,000 rupees. 22,000. 22,000. Whereas in situation 2. Whereas in situation 2, the loss to Mr. Vijay is rupees only 8,000. Is rupees 8,000. So we can analyze that when there is fluctuation right of recoupment is there. When there is a fluctuation of right of recoupment, there is a possibility of recovering the short workings of earlier years out of the excess royalties. So it is preferred that the landlord should opt for fluctuating right of recoupment to reduce losses. So this is the comment which can be made here, because here there is a loss of rupees 26,000 which is recovered here. So he can reduce here when there is a possibility of reducing the loss. Thank you.